This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is Zeekr X, and in this video I'm gonna find out how much space we have. We'll compare it against the Volvo EX30. They both come from Geely, but the EX30 is 20 centimeters shorter. So I've noticed in the back seat, the space in the back seat in the EX30 was really bad, but here it should be a lot better. So they mainly stretch the back seat 20 centimeters. The trunk should be roughly the same as the EX30. So that's what you're gonna find out with this test with banana boxes. Oh yeah, and it's kind of cold outside, but it should still work. So let's start with the front. Do we have a frunk? And in the front, we actually have a small frunk. But it is so small, you guys can see that it doesn't fit a banana box. Unfortunately, you can fit, I'm not sure, even a backpack wouldn't fit here. Yeah, okay, let me see. So we can try, just for measures. Can we fit Isabel in the front? Well, not really. She can sit here, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm not sure about the weight limit, but small frunk for, well, even type 2 cable wouldn't fit that well, kind of ish. And this is kind of weird. To open the trunk, you press this button here, but it is motorized at least, okay? But not that big trunk. Okay, you can open the lid here. That frees up more space, but I'm not sure if I can even remove this lid. It seems to be fixed there. Uh-oh. Round one in the trunk. The Volvo managed to fit 6 boxes. Here, I don't know what's up with this, but I could only fit 4 boxes. The trunk here has some plastic around it, and it wouldn't close if I tried to fit more in here. So that's it, 4 boxes. This is strange. I cannot enter the car. Try to unlock it. It doesn't respond. There's this NFC symbol. Well, actually, I think that's a key card. But, oh, there! It could be that it is so cold outside. It's minus 5 degrees Celsius, and the key fob has been in my pocket. So then it just has low battery, or I'm not sure what's up, and then it doesn't respond. So I have to use the emergency here. Oh, there's a screen here. What is the point of that? When you're charging, you show your charging status here, but that's extra cost. I almost never see that one. Just open and go inside. Well, look at the screen inside there instead of there. Hey, you lock again. Shit. Hey. No, what the? Why is the car being so trigger happy to lock the car? I'm just right beside here. Huh. And can I use this to lock and unlock? No, normally you can. Hey. Come on. No, now it doesn't work. Hey, come on. I need to enter the car. Shit, what is this? Huh? And also there was no low battery warning in the car. You know, in case this key fob has low batteries, I can change it in time. So this is bad. I could be stuck on the mountain. It could be minus 20 degrees. There. Oh, shit. Okay, just have to leave the car. I have to leave the door slightly open like this. Yeah, but normally I would show you that if you do this, and then if you click here, you should be able to lock the car. But actually now it doesn't respond because it seems like the key fob is dead. DED. Now it is working because I've been holding it in my hand. So this is an indication that the battery is getting low. We didn't get a warning, but I heated up the battery inside the key fob with my hand. So now it is locking and unlocking more like normal. So yeah, this is just a little pro tip. If this happens and the cause is low temperature, then you can do this. But I will probably change battery in the key fob. But this is quite rare because I borrowed 100 of press cars, and this is the first time I got low battery in the key fob and no warning beforehand. But as usual, I try to pack as many boxes as possible in here. I got some surprises. For example, I could not remove the headrest. I know all the tricks. There is no way to remove the headrest as far as I know. I tried all the tricks and it didn't work, so the headrest stays in there. That means that we had to use the slightly smaller boxes here. I have 3 of those jokers. So use the smaller boxes there. We managed to utilize all the space to the roof. At least you can see here, the ceiling rather. Here you see, So all that works great, but I also had slight problems putting everything in the back. It seems like the back here is not that narrow, so it's somewhat limited how much you can fit there. Okay, now that we are back in Norway, then we have to count in Norwegian. Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I helsike. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
18, 19, what the heck, man? You can take one less box than EX30. EX30 is shorter than this car. What happened there? Ich weiß nicht, but it kind of confirms my impression because I've had the whole family in here with the Cybex e-Priam in the trunk, and I was like, it is tight in here. Also for occupants here, you know, and the luggage. So yeah, my now test banana box test also confirmed my impression. So yeah, well, it seems like you don't get that much space, unfortunately, in this Zeekr. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.